Hello, welcome to Dro's Nose. Today we will be DIYing a paper flower wreath. As you can see, I took my streamer, I stretched it out to about 2 feet, and then I folded it in half. I folded it in half again. I folded it in half again. And I keep folding in half until I can't fold in half anymore. Then I cut a half circle on top of the folded streamer. And then I put these little extra cuts on the top because I feel it gives the streamer, the flower, a little bit of texture. When you roll it up, it looks real nice. Now I start to roll up this paper flower, and as I'm rolling the paper flower, I'm pinching the bottom of the flower. If you do not pinch the bottom of the flower as you're rolling it, then the middle of the streamer will fall out. So you want to make sure that you're really pinching the flower as you're rolling and rolling and rolling, and you just keep on rolling. Once you're finally done rolling your paper flower, you're going to want to flip it upside down. Give it a little bit more of a pinchy pinch, and then you're going to scotch tape the bottom. Flip your flower back over and fluff out those petals. Fluff them out real nice like. Now begins the arduous journey of creating every single individual flower for the flower wreath. I'm not gonna lie, this takes a very, very long time. Grab your wine because, like I said, this is going to take a long time, if not days. I rolled paper flowers on the couch. I rolled paper flowers in the kitchen. This too sucks. Make sure you have good tape. I rolled paper flowers before breakfast, during lunch, after dinner, during kids' playtime and nap time, and movie time. After hours of making flowers, I'm finally able to move on to making this wreath. I got these string lights from Michael's a million years ago, and those are paper flowers I made. And I am stringing these lights to this wreath I got from Michael's. It was a $1 grab box. A bunch of different stuff came in it. And I just start stringing these lights up on zigzag style on this wreath. And then I just hot glued the lights onto the wreath, hot glued the battery pack onto the wreath, and done. Now to attach the paper flowers, I cut off the tip of the flower so I have a flat surface, and I just hot glue gun the tip of that paper flower right onto the wreath. flowers, I hot glued a rope to the wreath so I could obviously hang it, and decided that I wasn't done yet. I wanted to add something a little bit extra, zazz up my wreath, and I got these really cool beads. They were actually Christmas decorations. I can't really remember where I got them, but I used them and attached them to my wreath. So if you have something like it lying around your house, make a wreath. And there you have it, a paper flower wreath. Perfect for birthdays, weddings, or just regular old decoration. You could put pictures on it if you'd like, or you can just leave it plain. I hope that you enjoyed this DIY project, and please like and subscribe to my channel.